Taq-e Bostan is the site of large rock reliefs from the Sassanid Empire of Persia, carved around the 4th century.
Seeing during their reign, the Sassanid kings considered the area around the historical complex of Persepolis as the first place of choice for carving statues. However, after the reign of Ardashir II, the Sassanid king from 37-9 to 38-3 AD, by his order, and after attaining the throne, Taq-e Bostan was chosen from among other regions of Iran, and this place was considered the best place to create epitaphs of his reign.
Perhaps the most important reason for this is its geographical location, which is located in the middle of the Silk Road, a vital trade route in the Asian continent that connected West, East, and South Asia, east of the European continent to the north of the African continent. It has pristine and beautiful nature. A beautiful and eye-catching spring can be seen in this area, which has refreshing and pleasant water and has added double the beauty to its surroundings. Of course, other buildings in this area no longer exist in this. The remains of a bridge can be seen on the eastern side of the Ardashir relief. Recently, a petroglyph was discovered above the Taq-e Bostan spring. Taq-e Bostan and its rock relief are among the 30 surviving Sassanid relics of the Zagros Mountains. Arthur Pope, the founder of the Iranian Art and Archaeology Institute in the United States of America, said art was characteristic of the Iranian people and the gift which they endowed the world with.
This example of Persian Sassanid art is located 5K Bostan from the city's center of Kermanshah. It is located in the heart of the Zagros Mountains and has endured almost 700 years of wind and rain. Several natural springs were initially visible next to and below the reliefs and arches, some of which are now covered. Springs next to the roof still feed a large basin in front of the rock. The site has been turned into an archaeological park, and a series of lakes, Sassanian and Islamic column capitals have been brought together.
Some found at Taq-e Bostan, others at Mount Bahistan and Kermanshah.
Carving some of the finest and best preserved examples of Persian sculpture under the Sassanids include representations of the investitures of Ardashir II and Shapur III. Like other Sassanid symbols, Taq-e Bostan and its relief patterns accentuate power, religious tendencies, glory, honor, the vastness of the court game and fighting spirit, festivity, joy, and rejoicing. On entering this area, the first epigraph is related to Ardashir II. Ardashir stands between Ahura Mazda and Mitra, his face turned towards Ahura Mazda, and his left hand received relief of friendship from Ahura Mazda. At their feet lies the enemy, or Ahriman. After this epigraph, there is a smaller arch, which depicts the figures of Shapur II and his son Shapur III. Above each of these impressions, the personalities of the epigraph have been introduced in the Pahlavi Sassanid script. In the third section of this aggregate, there are beautiful epigraphs throughout, revealing winged angels, the tree of life, boar hunting in the groves, duck hunting, etc., together with a group of musicians, bringing about a festive atmosphere. Below the epigraph is an armed rider on a horse. Some believe this to be Piru Sassanid, while others take this personality to be Khusro Parviz. Several historical scenes, such as the Khusro Parviz coronation, Artaxerxes II coronation, Shapur II and III coronations, and some inscriptions, have been carved in Pahlavi script. The mountains and springs in this area have made it a spiriting promenade that has always been the center of attention from the old days till now. It may be interesting to know that the representation of Mithra at Taq-e Bostan was used as a source of inspiration by the anonymous artist who made a famous painting of Zarathustra, the Bactrian prophet of Zoroastrianism. Sassanid kings chose a beautiful setting for the rock reliefs along the historic Silk Road caravan route, waypoint, and campground. The reliefs are adjacent to sacred springs that empty into a large reflecting pool at the base of a mountain cliff.